What's going on? I've got a Judge Spicy clip. It's a good one. We have a court genius who not only calls his probation officer a witch, but you know what? That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do in front of Judge Spicy. And yeah, this is Judge O'Donnell. He always says it like he sees it. He has no filter, which is why we love him. This is no exception. I'm Colin. We're coolin'. Let's go.
Guilty, sir.
I'll accept your guilty plea and find you guilty, Ms. Tomaszek.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. We would just like to ask the court to allow Mr. Crespo an opportunity to continue his community control sanctions. I know there was an issue with him not appearing to probation. He indicated he does have some medical issues. He's been in and out of the hospital. He tries to send Kaylee proof of that. So we would just like to ask the court to continue his probation. Your Honor, this last time he was in the jail, he did indicate he was not receiving his medication. So that's what caused part of his hospitalization, Your Honor. So I'd just like to ask the court for one more opportunity to allow Mr. Crespo to be on community control. Thank you.
Why do you not show up to probation when you're supposed to?
You want the truth like you told me before, right, sir?
What?
You want the truth.
Yes, I want the truth.
I have never, ever not show up to.
So she's lying?
No,
You don't show up. You're supposed to be there. What day are you supposed to report? What day are you supposed to report?
She gave me a schedule, something about
What day of the week are you supposed to report?
one day of the month, and I told her I don't understand this. I don't understand this. I told her
You understand it quite well. What day are you supposed to report?
the first Monday or something of the month, second week or something. And I told
Hold
her
it.
about,
Every first and third Monday of the month, Your Honor,
Okay. How long has that been the schedule?
since he was placed on the rules on March 4th of 2025.
Okay. What's the problem?
my mind is messed up, sir, and being real sick, I forget. So I call her and I ask her, Miss Katie, when do I got to see you? And I called her about 10 times. I did. I was a pain in the butt. And she said, don't call me. You got to keep track of this.
Well, listen, I don't believe you, okay? She tells you when to show up. You're supposed to show up the same time every month for the last 8 months, and you show up whenever you want to show up. You call and say you won't be there, then you show up out of the blue, okay? You've managed to be active enough to plead guilty to what? 2 F3s, okay? But you do okay with the drugs, all right? Possession of all these drugs you're not supposed to possess, but you can't figure out when to be there for your probation appointment because you don't want to show up, and I'm sick of it.
I'm sorry, sir.
You're not sorry because you keep doing the same thing. Did you pay your fine yet? Your mandatory fine?
I've been paying some of it, yes.
You paid some of it? How much did he pay?
I have no verification that he's paid.
So you haven't paid it.
I have paid some.
Okay. How much have you paid?
I made about 3 payments, I think.
Of how much?
50, 60 bucks
Where did you pay that?
to Miss Katie.
Did he pay you money on the mandatory fine?
No, he's talking about supervision fees. He's
Okay.
made payments on supervision fees, not the mandatory fine.
You have a $5,000 mandatory fine.
Yes, and I thought I would have the money for her too, sir.
You haven't paid it.
No, haven't paid it, no.
Okay.
I am not working right now, sir. I haven't been working for a while now, and
Well, why are you telling her how much money you always have?
I never told her how much money I always have.
Why is she, then she's lying to me all the time about what you say and what you do, right?
Oh, I mean,
Why do you refer to her as a witch and evil and all those kind of things?
a witch.
Yeah, a witch, an evil witch.
Okay. I was just being sarcastic, sir.
Okay, don't be sarcastic. Pay attention to the goddamn rules. Show up when you're supposed to show up. Comply with your obligations. Because I'm sick of it. On 2 F3s, I should have sent you to prison. And you're tempting me right now. Because you're jerking around.
It's not gonna happen no more, sir. I promise you. And I apologize to Miss Katie too.
Stop calling her an evil witch. Or anything else derogatory. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
When is he supposed to report again?
Your Honor, if he is let out, he will be moved to Nicole Randazzo, so he will be weekly. So
Weekly. That means every week now. See what you bought yourself by jerking around instead of every other week? Now you're going to be every week. What day?
Mondays, Your Honor.
Monday. What time?
That will be discussed with Mr. Randazzo.
Okay.
Excuse me, can you give him the schedule, please?
No. No. You're the one that's on probation.
Right, I mean, I don't mean give it to him, I mean,
No, you give it to him.
right.
You give it to him.
So he,
So he's here now, so he knows it's every Monday.
right,
Okay.
he just came to live with me about 5 days ago.
Okay.
Because he's right there, he's my nephew, and I am sick, and he helps me around the house. And he decided to come and live with me.
I don't know how it is that you managed to have all these drugs over the years. Okay, somehow you've managed to keep track of that. Okay, so I don't give me this nonsense, okay? Because the first Monday you don't show up, you're gonna go to jail, and then you're gonna go to prison. And you'll go to prison for 6 years. That's what I'll do with you, because I'm sick of this shit from you. You got it?
Yes, sir.
And when are you gonna pay your mandatory fine that you refuse to pay?
That's the $5,000?
That's the $5,000.
Oh, I can do a half payment, and then I can do another half payment. And you want another day?
Yeah.
I'll give you 2 weeks. I will pay half of it in 2 weeks, sir. And who do I pay?
Is he going over to see her right now?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're gonna go over and talk to your new probation officer, who you're gonna have to see every Monday from now on.
Oh, Miss Katie's not my probation officer?
No, no. No, you won't have to see that evil witch anymore.
Don't say this.
So by jerking around, instead of coming twice a month, you're coming 4 times a month. Okay, so keep playing around, okay? You keep playing around by not showing up the first time, and you won't have to report anymore. You'll just go to prison. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
All rise.
All right, Salvador, so you're gonna go straight to probation now, okay?
Yes.
All right. Well, that guy was fun, right? I told you. Judge Spicy. Gotta love him. This guy's a little bit frustrating. You want to know the truth? I'll tell you the truth. Yeah. No, lie to the judge. That's a great idea. Just lie to him. Calling your probation officer a witch. Always a good move. Always a good move. No, that's not true. That's never a good move. Don't do that. Don't do it. Don't call anyone a witch. It's not a good idea. Anyways, that's all I got. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. You know what to do. Hit the like, comment, subscribe, all those fun things. This is Colin. No, that's not what I say. That's all I got. Till next time, bye.
Straight over there
Over where?
to probation.
Yeah, but do I go here?
To the, yeah, where the probation department is in the Lake County Jail.
No, but do I go through that door there?
Nope, go through that door right there.
Okay.
Yep. So go to the jail.